Welcome to Fran's Friends, and join me in my crafting journey.
Bienvenidos todos a las amigas de Fran.
Welcome to Fran's Friends. As you can see, this is my February crafting month, and I am not in my crafting studio. Due to some personal issues and some losses, and due to the fact that it's my 8th wedding anniversary, we made the decision to come to Mexico. But I was a little concerned about not being able to carry on for 2 weeks with my crafting modalities. So what I decided to do is, you see on the news when news anchors go away, it's going to on location. So that's what I'm going to do for the month of February. My on location is going to be geared toward Mexican culture in the crafting world. So to go back a little bit for January, what did we accomplish? We accomplished my master class, the snail, showing you different techniques, types of fabrics that we used. Emphasis was also placed on resources, which is going to be a major emphasis for this year. I also did the Christmas table decor using January, each month doing a different type of craft using a tablecloth that I've had for many years. And then I did a couple of videos just on basic skills and techniques. So, what am I going to do in Mexico? Well, what types of things in the way of crafts when you go to Mexico you buy? So a lot of it is ceramics, wood carvings, lapidary, that type of thing. So I'm going to venture into how they make these things, what the local crafters or artisans make, how they make it, whether they ship it abroad, around the world, and so that's what I'm going to venture into. Other things too is I'm going to do a section on some decor. I noticed even in our hotel room, the bedding had fancy folded blankets and that kind of thing. So I may try and get one of the little ladies to show me how she folds these things. So that's basically what we're going to do. I'm not going to be able to produce an actual project myself, but hopefully I can bring you some artistic value from Mexico, and we're actually in Cancun. So I will do probably a few extra postings. I'm going to go down to a little art shop where they're doing ceramic painting and talk to the artists down there. So again, thanks for watching, and this will be a very interesting on location project for me. So again, talk to you later. Bye for now.